Everyone, from today we are going to start up with the second part of our chapter, which is body fluids and the circulation. So in the last class I was not able to make you understand properly the part which I've shared, the first part of this chapter. I was not able to make you understand properly, which I think so I'm going to continue with the starting. From the starting I'm going to continue from the starting. Okay, hopefully you will understand this part. Okay, so and we all know that we all are living cells, and we have some nutrients. We get some nutrients also, right? We also get some essential substances, and the and also when we are taking the nutrition from the food, as we are taking the nutrition from the food, we are taking nutrition from the food. After after what, after digestion, what we will produce some waste which is very toxic, and we need to remove it from our body, because unless we will not remove it, there will be our body will not function smoothly. So for the smoothly function, or we can say the healthy functions of our tissues, we need to remove it. We need to remove continuously our waste. So we have some systems for doing so, like the simple organism like sponges and coelentrates have some do the exchange purpose by their body cavity. They do it by their body cavity. And some complex organism has used their special fluids for the transportation purpose. And the common fluid which we know, which we have in our body, is blood. We all know about blood, right? It is the most common thing which we are very, like, we are very familiar with. Okay, so blood is the most common thing. Then we have lymph is in another system. Lymph is another type kind of fluid which also helps in the transportation of other things. So that's what we are going to study in this chapter. So let's come up to the next page. This page is saying that we have different, like, blood. What is blood? Blood is a special connective tissue. Blood is a special connective tissue which has fluid matrix, plasma, and formed elements. So in our blood, it consists of, we can say, blood consists of three things. What are these things? Fluid matrix, plasma, and third one is formed elements. Okay, so our blood consists of these three things. And plasma, what is plasma? Plasma looks like transparent. It somewhere looks transparent. It looks transparent, or we can say it looks like straw colored viscous fluid, which consists of about 55% of it is what of it is consists of the blood, and left 92% of plasma is water, and the left 6 to 8% of it is what? Proteins. So we have plasma also consists of some essential things. And what are these? Fibrinogen, globulins, albumins. These are the major proteins. What are the major proteins? The major proteins are fibrinogen, albumin, and glo globulin globulins. Okay, these are the important proteins which we have to keep in our mind. Okay, next one is fibrinogen. There is some specific function of them also. Like the fibrinogen, we need the fibrinogen for the clotting or coagulation of blood. Globulins we need for the primary, like, involved in the defense mechanism. We use fibrinogen for the clotting of blood, and globulins we need for the defense mechanism.